Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. Listen guys, bonk may drop down and it may drop down very, very badly, right? Please watch the Bitcoin update right now. No BS, straight fire. And I think today's Bitcoin update that I have uploaded, I spent hours for the past 3 days creating the Bitcoin update. So if you're watching bonk right now, go watch the damn Bitcoin update, because I'm going to tell you what no one is about to tell you on the whole YouTube. I can actually pretty much guarantee you that, because I'm angry right now, right? When I'm angry, I become aggressive. My aggression then brings out the best of me, and I've actually posted just one of the best TA on Bitcoin at the moment because I'm angry, right? If you want to watch that, go and watch that, because I want you to compare that update with bonk. If Bitcoin is going to behave, bonk is going to follow. So if Bitcoin drops, bonk is going to drop. And Adam thinks, right, I'm going to say this straight to your face, I could be wrong or whatever, but Adam actually thinks the market is about to drop down and Bitcoin is about to go to $33,000. And that have me telling you that bonk also have the very same chance to drop to the downside. I just want to tell you that bonk itself has a bearish pattern called descending triangle, okay? Focus on descending triangle and you are going to get a lot of details. But still, then again, not to be biased, not to be unfair, this pattern hasn't really broke down, okay? The pattern itself has not broke down. I just told you that Bitcoin, I think, is going to go down, but I just want to judge bonk based on what bonk is doing. Bonk hasn't really broke down. But yes, let me tell you one thing, be ready for a break below if it ever actually comes down towards 895. If bonk makes it to 895, I can actually tell you to be ready for 424. If you are going to be trading this, I will suggest you to have an 895 stop loss, right? At least I don't want to be unfair and say, hey, it's going to drop down and be confirmation bias. I don't really control the whole market. But chances are, if it actually does come down here, boom, run away, run away, pack your bag and go to Mars, go to Jupiter, come back when Earth is actually a little bit cooler and more merciful to you, because this thing will drop big time, and the technical target for this whole descending triangle is actually taking you all the way down. You can actually see it's pretty much even to 280. I'm actually being a little bit more good saying 423, but it's actually down to 282, and that's going to be a drop of nearly $73. Now sorry, not $73, 73%. So Mira, I don't know, it's Mira, what do you call that? All right, so Mira, which is another probably Solana family coin, I guess. Is it Mira, I guess? Yeah, here you are, this is Mira, right? So Mira or Miro, I don't know, this is very similar meme coin as bonk is, and this also dropped big time. So tell me a reason that bonk may not be the same. This is from the same family as bonk as well. So be very, very careful, guys. Be very careful. And I personally pick a side of the downtrend, okay? I kind of, my guts feeling says the downtrend, but don't go with guts feeling, just go with the break. If the break is good, work with the stop loss. By the end of the day, it's your money, it's your call, it's your shout. And that's all for the video. If you want to learn more about this trading, then I do have the whole course for you. Today I'm going to actually give a shout out. If you need it, I'm going to give you $50 off. And if you're serious about learning, I'm going to teach you the best one out there, hopefully. And that's it. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.